In this video, I'll show you how to add chat box to OBS. So in order to add them, what you can do is you can head over to Twitch first, and then we have in here this chat room. So if you want to add a separate section to them, what you can do is you can head over to your OBS. So we have in here OBS. So what you can do is you can just head over and then capture the scene that we want to capture. So for example, for this one, let's head over right here to display capture option. Now from in here, just choose a display that actually has that particular monitor. Now click on it, OK, and you should be able to actually reflect right here. So let's click on Control D in order to make this possible. And we have now in here a shot box. So what we can do is you can just head over and then trim this part of the page. So head over and click on Alt in order to trim it. Then just trim it as you like and then make this bigger. Now we have in here this. So you can center it or add it onto the part of the screen or wherever you want to add it. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.